Everyone, and I'm Jamie, and today we're gonna do the unboxing of Avatar on DVD. Found this on Walmart for about like $15, and very good deal. And it does have the slip cover right here. And I'm just gonna quickly grab my scissors. So here's a look at the front here, the left side, and taking a look at the back of the slip cover. It does look pretty cool and detailed. Very nice, shiny slipcover. I heard that this film is one of the best films, like popularest films of all time. And here's a look at the main DVD case right here. And it does have the THX logo, and don't know what the THX logo would be. I think it would be like Amazing Life trailer. And it also hasn't seen that trailer. I'll leave that link in the description below. And yeah, if those who didn't see what that THX trailer is, Amazing Life, I believe, when I saw it in the closing. So yeah, I haven't seen the film in a long time, and I'm very excited. And let's go ahead and open this up. Alright. Oh, whoa. Okay. That is very unexpected. So, we have the booklet, it looks like, or some kind of a case book, whatever that is. Oh, whoa. Wow, okay. I'm trying to understand this deep connection the people have to the Force. She talks about the network of energy that flows through all living things. So here's what the page one looks like. And I'm trying to get the disc. Oh, whoa. Okay. So the disc artwork for this one, it looks pretty cool, to be honest. So here's disc one right here. And this is the cardboard thing to hold it. So yeah, so that's disc one. And next page, the Naiva said that every person is born twice. The second time is when you earn your place among the people forever. So here's that what the second page looks like, and showing disc two. So here's disc 2 right here. Trying to put this back in. Let's see, there we go. And page number 3. I was a warrior who dreamed he could bring peace. Sooner or later though, we always have to wake up. And taking out disc 3. Wow, that looks pretty cool on disc 3. And I gotta say, the artwork on the discs, they look pretty cool, to be honest. So yeah. And the fourth final page, flying out with me, my brothers, sisters, and we will show the sky people that they cannot take whatever they want. And this is our land. And that's the back. And yeah, that takes care of the unboxing of Avatar. And yeah, very cool package they put it right here. I was very unexpecting that they would have become a slipcover with that. So yeah, very cool set right here. Extended collector's edition 3-disc DVD set. Hope you enjoy. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time.